seats are sponsored. There's a reason. Pakistan's textiles today is $19.5 billion. You know what is the world textile trade today? It is $800 billion. We are only 2.5% of world trade. So if I increase my share from 2.5 to 5, I have no current account deficit. I have no current account deficit. With every $1 billion, I create 1 million jobs. So with $19 billion, I can create 19 million jobs in this country, and majority will be women. Majority will be women workers. The average pay scale for a women working in manufacturing in textiles is about $250 a month. If UMT produces these 500 students in the next 5 years for this industry, I believe they can be the engine of growth for the industry, engine of growth for the country, and engine of manufacturing for this country, which is really lacking. My message to you here is, again, please love your country. This homeland is so beautiful. We got this homeland because of a lot of sacrifices from our previous generations. A lot of sacrifices. We don't even know what is independence. We don't even know what a country or a homeland means. This is your homeland. The generation sitting here as deans, as professors, you will not be here. You will be here. You will be sitting here on this side in years to come. And I want you here repeating this. When you are on this side after 25 years, that we were the generation who changed the country. We were the generation who loved our country, who believed in our country, and are now standing in the top 5 economies of the world where we deserve to be. We deserve to be there. But it's going to be you who's going to take us there. We have to provide you the platform. You have to perform. But it will only come from belief. You will have to believe in yourselves. I am repeating again. You will have to believe in yourselves. You will have to believe in your country. You will have to believe in your religion. You will have to believe in the teachings of Quran. You will have to walk on Sirat-e-Mustaqim. And I believe nobody can stop this country from success, inshallah ta'ala. I congratulate you again. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. A big round of applause for Dr. Gohar for sponsoring so many seats for you.